visiting. I'm going to cook dinner. First step is to line the tray with foil so then we can put the cauliflower on. Now you rip some foil. Next step is to cut the cauliflower. Guys, did you know that cauliflower is a really smelly vegetable? So now we're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons over the cauliflower with olive oil. Drizzle it over. That's good. Now we'll open the kofta. Next we need some pumpkin seeds. Yes. Tap, tap, tap. Then we're going to season it with salt and pepper. And put it in the oven to roast for 10 minutes. Now we'll season with salt and pepper. Now we put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now we're going to put all the kofta in this tiny little bowl. We're going to mix some olive oil. 3 spoons. Now opening the beef rump steak. Now I'm going to cover it with the seasoning I just made. Now I'm going to massage the meat with my hands. We're going to do the beans now, so let's trim the beans. Now we're going to cut the ends. Now I'm going to rinse the beans. Now we're going to dice the tomato. Cut it in half. Now we're going to dice the tomatoes. We're going to take the cauliflower out of the oven now, so we're going to put the beans on the tray with the cauliflower and drizzle it with 1 tablespoon with olive oil, and then we're going to roast for a further 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Put the beans on the tray. Now I'm going to drizzle with olive oil. Back in the oven, it will go for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to heat the pan, and when you cook steak, it's important that the pan's really hot before you cook it, or else it'll get really tough. We're going to cook the steak now, and we're going to put it in for 4 minutes, and it's going to be cooked on each side for the 4 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to get the vegetables ready. I'm going to put the tomatoes in this big large glass bowl.